guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Welcome. And in today's video we are doing a hair review. Yes girl, we're bringing the hair reviews back. It's been a minute, but I'm back, okay, with the jump off. So yes, we're doing a very affordable wig just because I know how expensive hair is, you know how expensive it is and how inflation is making it even more harder to get good affordable wigs. So I got you. No, it's not from Amazon, it is from AliExpress, but it's a nice little bulb that I feel like you can wear during this time of the month, as well as, you know, transitioning into the spring and the summer. So if you are interested in this type of video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as thumbs up, and let's get into it.
It's a vibe on the setup.
Alright y'all, so obviously I ain't got it on, but we're gonna start off with the specs of the hair. So yes, this is the hair that it comes in this type of bag, and here it is. So obviously it comes with wig caps. Like all wigs, when you get them, they come with a wig cap, and luckily it's the same hair color, like my skin tone, because normally sometimes they come with like the black ones or the really dark brown, and obviously I have a caramel tone, so I need something right in the middle, so I need a beige. So good thinking. So yes, this is the wig straight out of its packaging. It hasn't been touched, I haven't been plucked in, I haven't not done a damn thing to it. So let me look it up and give you guys all the specs of it, and I'm also going to have it linked down below if you like this type of wig. So let me take a look, give me a minute. Okay, so this wig comes from Silkwave Official. That's the name of the store. It has 94.9% positive feedback, so I really enjoyed that. And this retailed for, because I got a 12-inch ball, for $42.14, under $50. So this is what the picture looks like. Would it look like that on me? Probably absolutely fucking not, but that's what it's supposed to look like. And it's 150 density. And the good thing about this wig, it is under that 7-day delivery. So if you need it very quickly, it will come within that week that you order it. So that's even better. So now let's just see what it looks like fresh out without me doing anything to it, how it looks on me. Oh, before I put it on, I just want to show you guys the inside. So it does have that get down girl, does have this floral print inside. Obviously a comb in the front, 2 combs on the side, and a comb in the back. Also comes with the adjustable straps as well. Because my hair is not puffy as my hair normally be, nor do I have it in braids, but it's not as puffy. I'm going to tighten up the spandex with the elastics to the last one. All right, now let's put it on. So I'm not going to put the 2 tabs on the side. That's because I feel like it's already snug enough. But this is what it looks like right now. Okay, let's pull it back a little bit more. Let's push it out. So I feel like I should have went with the 14 instead of a 12, because I personally feel like it's still too short for me. Because I normally like my balls to at least touch my collarbone. But this is different. Alright, so like I said, it looks nothing like the picture. I will say that. It looks absolutely nothing like the picture. But we're gonna work on it. I do have this magical invention from Solel. I think that's the name, Solel. So this is a mini heat brush. So I use this on my normal hair. I mix it with BioSilk and it does wonders. It is beautiful. However, I've only used it on my real hair. I haven't used it on a wig, so I do want to see how it reacts to a wig. And then I also obviously have my flat irons. Because this is a 12-inch wig, I don't want to bring out like the big one. So I do have a mini size flat iron as well. I got off of Amazon from Wavy Talk. So I brought this mainly for my edges, but I feel like this is work wonders for this hair just because again it's small, but you know the length is little. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my tools and then I'll be back so we can really start finessing this wig so it can look decent, okay? Because I have places to go and things to do, okay? All right, so this is what the hair is looking like, you know, straight out the box, no plucking, no anything. So the bangs does look like the picture. However, like I said, I probably should have got it in a 14-inch instead of a 12-inch, but I'm not mad at it. It's giving me Etna vibes, you guys know, from The Incredibles. So I'm not sure exactly if it's straight or not, because I feel like it's more hair on this side compared to this side. However, this is a straight out of the box type of wig though. So for those who are not very versed in wigs, i.e. me, okay, i.e. me, I will admit I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a hair groover, I'm not a wigologist, none of that, okay? I just buy the wigs, try them on, and make them look as nice as possible. And that's what we're doing here, okay? But yeah, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out the box. Now I'm going to put on some makeup so we can get the full effect of the wig, okay? The full effect of the wig so we can give it its true potential, show its true potential. So I will be back once I do my makeup. Okay guys, so now I'm back with my makeup on. So now y'all get the full effect of the wig. You know, it doesn't look as crazy as it did in the beginning. So yeah, I really like this wig. Like I said, I do wish I just got it a little bit longer, but the 12-inch is cool. So yeah, I'm excited to rock this baby and test it out and see what the world thinks about it. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn your bell notifications to get notified when I upload my next one. I love you guys. Thanks so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
It's a vibe.